Today we are going to learn about the farm animals. You know who are the farm animals?
Animal.
Animal. Okay. Now this first one likes to drink milk and it says meow meow.
Baby kitty.
Cat.
No, baby kitty.
Okay, baby kitty.
And baby cat.
Okay, now clap for yourself. You get to try it. Okay, the next one. Next one is
What?
next one eats the grass. It gives milk and it says moo. Moo.
Cow.
Cow. It's cow. Cow says
Moo.
clap for yourself. Okay, the next one is it eats the grass and it says it eats the grass and it says neigh neigh.
Gummy bear. No, horse.
Horse. It's horse.
Yes, horsey.
Horses. Clap your hands.
As a horse, because that's a baby horse.
Okay, now clap your hands. Okay, the next one is so funny. And no, and it says woof 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 woof.
Dog.
Dog. Dog says
Woof, woof, woof.
clap your hands.
Moo.
Okay, the next one is of yellow color and it says next one is yellow and it says quack 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 quack.
Mom duck and baby ducky.
It's a
Duck.
Duck.
Mom duck and baby ducky.
okay. Now clap your hands.
Do you love baby ducky?
Clap your
Mom,
hands.
do you love baby ducky?
Yes, I love. Clap your hands.
It's her boy. Which one ducky do you like? No, say.
Which ducky you like?
Mommy ducky.
Okay, now clap your hands. Okay, the next one likes to eat grains and it says cock-a-doodle-doo.
Rooster.
Rooster, good job. Clap your hands. Okay, the next one eats the grass and it lives in the barn and it says moo. Moo. It's a
Cow.
cow. Cow says
Moo. Moo.
yes.
Moo.
Clap your hands. You guessed it right. Okay, the next one is of pink color and it loves to jump in muddy puddles and it says oink 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 oink.
Piggy.
Pig.
Ongoing.
Yes, clap your hands. You guessed it right. Okay, the next is
Cat.
the next one helps to take things from one place to another and it says me oh.
Donkey.
Donkey. Good job.
Moo.
Clap your hands. Okay. The next one The next one gives wool to us to keep us warm. And it says ba ba ba.
Llama.
Yes, it's a lamb, or you can call it a
Llama. Sheep.
sheep. Do you know any poem about sheep? Sing it for me, please.
Baba, black sheep, Harry roll, lesser, she black for one for master, one for day, one for little boy, live down away.
Yay, good job. You guessed all the animals right, and you sing a beautiful poem for us. Clap your hands.
Okay, go.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.